customer support channel. It is important to have a dishwasher that you can really count on. That's why the newly enhanced Easy Rack Plus system on your LG dishwasher was designed with flexibility and convenience in mind. Able to adjust to any load of dishes, no dish will go unwashed. In this video, we will show you how to properly adjust the tines and racks in your LG dishwasher. Most of the tines in your dishwasher are adjustable to accommodate your different loading configurations. According to your needs, you can adjust the tines by pressing the tine down, away from you, and lifting back up and locking into place if desired. On the lower rack, all of the tines on the right can be adjusted up or down. On the left, the first two rows of tines are fully adjustable. For the remaining rows, every other tine can be adjusted in opposite directions. On the upper rack, the tines on the right can be adjusted up or down. Just pull the tine up and rotate it downward. On the left, you can use the two latches in the front of the dishwasher to adjust the position of the tines more precisely to your desired settings. When you are loading your dishwasher, please be aware that the weight of certain plates and bowls can cause the tines to tip over. Use caution when you are loading heavier dishware. The upper rack of your LG dishwasher can also be adjusted up or down to allow tall and oversized items in the lower rack. Before adjusting the upper rack, make sure that there are no dishes in the rack. To lower the rack, hold the rack at the center of each side to support its weight. Then, lift on either side to release the rack and lower it to the lower position. To raise the rack, simply lift the rack at the center of each side until it locks into place. Lifting the lock levers is not necessary. After adjusting your upper rack and when loading larger items into the upper and lower racks, it is important to make sure that the spray arms can rotate freely. The cutlery trays located above the upper rack are independently adjustable to accommodate different sizes of utensils or cutlery. Adjust the cutlery trays to high or low by lifting it out and rotating front to back. When placing the trays down, make sure that they are stable. In the high position, the tab in the center should be placed into the appropriate slot. The entire cutlery rack can be removed if more space is needed in the upper rack. Before doing so, remove all items from the rack. Pull out the cutlery rack to full extension. Then, lift the front of the rack and slide out. To see more videos about this product, visit us at our YouTube page or at our website, lg.com.